Okay, my good friend Alec, we're at Windstar Casino, high stakes room. Just got a bonus on Dragon League, and let's see what we get. All right, let's go. Come on, get big numbers, big numbers. Here we go. Come on, come on. Okay, so far, $100, not bad. Come on, come on. Come on, $50 bet, don't not. Come on, balls, balls. Come on, come on. Oh, we go. One more ball. Oh. Come on. Come on, balls, all balls, balls. Come on, balls, something. Give me something. That sucks.